Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Swift/Type Sol installed and the runtime ready. Once done, open your test project and switch to the isolated branch so changes don't affect production. Make sure debugging mode is enabled. This surfaces warnings and typing conflicts early. Next, create a minimal entry file to exercise core behavior, then run an initial compile to catch environment issues. These first actions get you into a safe iterative loop, where you can iterate quickly and learn by immediate feedback. You now integrate the module into your codebase, import the namespaces, and set the configuration options tailored to your domain. Then map existing data types to the module's expected shapes, refactor patterns that clash, and address type errors as they appear. Once mappings are stable, instrument key functions and write focused unit tests that assert both behavior and type constraints. Make sure to run tests after each small change. This prevents cascading errors and clarifies why a transformation succeeds or fails. To finish, optimize performance hotspots and remove debug flags, then run the full test suite to validate end-to-end behavior. Document any API changes and update integration notes so teammates adopt the new types safely. If you run into issues, isolate the failing case and reproduce it in a minimal example. This clarifies whether the problem is configuration, mapping, or a runtime bug. Finally, revert only faulty changes, reapply fixes, and rerun tests to confirm the environment is clean and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.